Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Felicia, aka Spiritual Gallo 7, and this is the Beauty Zone. I am back with a wig review, and today's wig review is from LIAZAHAIR. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. This is an Amazon vendor. Now the rage is about getting your wigs quicker. And although I love AliExpress and ordering from them, sometimes we just want to get our wigs a little bit sooner. This company is actually, again, an Amazon provider of wigs, and I received this wig in a couple of days. If you're a Prime member, you need to join Amazon Prime, but if you're a Prime member, you'll get this wig in a couple of days. So you saw what I did with the wig as far as the curling of the wig. Love it. This is a 14-inch. It is considered to be a bob, but it was not cut in a bob style. So, of course, I did the little quick and easy rubber band method and then clipped the ends to make it more of a little bit of an asymmetrical, although you really don't see that in the curly style that I'm rocking. So just to give you a little bit more information about this hair, it's considered to be a deep curly human hair lace front wig. I would say there's about between 4 to 6 inches of lace in the front, and then of course it tapers down on the side. In the back you have your standard wefts. It is again a 14-inch. I did show some video too before I styled it and rolled it and styled it, how it is pre-plucked. Now I was lazy. I didn't feel like bleaching the knots and all of that. It's fine. It looks fine to me. I haven't put any makeup here. I just have my wig cap on, which is more of a brownish color this time, and I think it's fine. Sometimes, ladies, gents, you just want to put on the wig and go, or you just want to style the wig and put it on and go. You don't feel like the bleaching, and sometimes I over bleach, and then once you do that, then you have to go into correction mode. So lately, if I can get away with just applying some makeup to the part, or if the wig looks good enough where I don't have to apply any concealer to my part and I could just get away like this, it's fine. It was pre-plucked. The hairline looks good, and actually the hairline had a little bit of a widow's peak, which was really cool because I do have a little bit of a widow's peak. So if you're a widow's peak type of gal, this wig would be for you. The hair type again is Brazilian virgin hair. I did not color or dye the hair. I'm just wearing it in its natural state. Again, I'm lazy, so maybe at another time I'll try that. Again, 14 inches. The density on this is, I believe I saw 150%. Let me see. No, the hair density on this is 130%. The cap size that I'm wearing is a medium. Now, I'm a part of the large head girls committee, and so my own natural hair is very thick and it's long, and so for me, and then I have a watermelon type of head. So for me, I have to have a wig that has a circumference of at least 23, but this one is comfortable. It's not too tight. You have the adjustable straps in the back. I do have the comb. I secured the comb. The other 3 combs that are here in the front, I left them in, but I'm not using them because again I have on a wig cap. And again, this is considered to be a glueless. The color is a natural brown. The hair is super duper soft. Very minimal shedding. Again, I just cut the back a little bit to be a little bit shorter. Didn't really put that much product on it. Now I did. I'm trying to see what I did with it. I probably moved it, but I put just a little bit of, what is that, the Pantene lotion light, comes in the brown tube. I put a little bit of that on as I was separating the curls, just to prevent some of the frizziness. And again, super duper cute. It's been raining here a lot in Georgia lately, and long hair and rain doesn't mix unless it's going to be some kind of wet and wavy or something like that. But this is perfect for the winter. Short. neat, great for work. As a matter of fact, I look like I'm going to the PTA meeting tonight to see, you know, what my child's school has been doing this school year. But I think it's a great wig. Very comfortable, very easy to style. Love it. So check them out on Amazon. Again, LIAZAHAIR. And I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Yeah, LIAZAHAIR. They have some other wigs on here as well. They have wigs that are longer length. I'm not going to mention the pricing because sometimes they'll change their prices and then you guys will be sticking some comments down here about, hey, it's more than it was before. The wig has some great reviews. So yeah, so check them out. So thank you guys so much for joining me here at the Beauty Zone. Please comment on this wig if you like this wig, if you like this style. If you have actually purchased from this company, again, please put your comments below. If you are new to my channel, welcome to the family. I'm going to start doing more videos. I promise 2019 is going to be my year. Thank you guys who have been loyal subscribers and watchers of my channel for many years now. And I hope to see you guys really, really soon back here on the Beauty Zone. Mwah. Love you. Take care. Bye-bye.